nigga post, it was on my conscience. I'm fucked up, in my mind, I fell for your promise. When they say that love she real, don't believe that nonsense. I was scrolling through IG when I saw your comments. When another nigga post, it was on my conscience. I'm fucked up, in my mind, I fell for your promise. When they say that love she real, don't believe that nonsense. Only niggas in these bitches sharp, just like Pikachu. I live through this itty bitty thought, can play no games with you. Always claiming that you hate me, girl, I really hate me too. Man, I think I'm colorblind, cause all I see is navy blue. Love the feeling of these checks, cause I ain't never had the money. As a kid growing up, little nigga, I was looking bummy. Now I got it, all this paper wrapped around me like a mummy. Everything I'm dishing, that little nigga ain't sweet like no honey. Pussy ass niggas hating, they gon' be the ones that plummet. Watching all my moves, got them sick to the fucking stomach. I just popped the perky, might pop two, I'm just screaming fuck. All my niggas, they gon' up them poles if I blow the trumpet. Even though I got my own pole, I don't wanna use it. I was all about a bread, bitch, caught up in the music. Only niggas out here really testing me, I might just use it. Every time they see me on the trap, they know why you abuse it. She just suck me up real good, she just tell my soul, bro. I'm a overthinking nigga, I cannot say sober. Smoking on the wood, smoking good, smoking Doja. When I walk into the house, my mama smell the odor. A little force gon' make these niggas break, call me Yoda. I done seen it all on nigga, watch my brother fold up. And even though I always keep a smile, I feel colder. I can't wait to be doing these shows, and they sold up. I was scrolling through IG when I saw your comments. When another nigga post, it was on my conscience. I'm fucked up, in my mind, I fell for your promise. When they say that love she real, don't believe that nonsense. I was scrolling through IG when I saw your comments. When another nigga post, it was on my conscience. I'm fucked up, in my mind, I fell for your promise. When they say that love she real, don't believe that nonsense.
Don't believe that nonsense, I can't believe that nonsense. You a bitch, nigga, get up out the closet. This big drip on me, nigga, I say drip just like a faucet. Like why you talking, you got no money coming. They got no income coming, so they getting mad. You ain't care when I was down bad on my ass. You crossed me once, but that ain't happening again. Got my first bag, I said I'm turning to the man. Like fuck on, nigga try me, nigga, I might have to bust some. Thought she play me now, bitch, you got me fucked up. Paranoia in my head, bitch, I can't show up. I just get the top, nigga, I don't trust hoes. I've been on the go, tryna make it home, Now she wanna know, now she can't know, Gas her up and now she blushing. Applying heat just like a oven. Hard to you, baby girl, I wanna talk to you, talk to you. And when you walking out, got me like, I'm tryna be all of you. Permanent, just like a tattoo.